Now let's take one question. The question says that this is moving at 5 meter per second and this angle is 37 degree, correct? And the mirror and this mirror is moving in the direction shown here by 2 meter per second. Okay, right. Now, how to solve this question? So, again, the question is this: the object is moving in this direction, which is 37 degree to the horizontal, and the speed is 5 meter per second, and the mirror is moving in this direction at the speed of 2 meter per second. Now we have to find velocity of image. Okay, now the first thing which we will do is we will just break this 5 meter per second into horizontal and vertical. So if I break this into horizontal and vertical, this would be 5 cos 37 and this would be 5 sin 37. 5 cos 37 is 4 and 5 sin 37 is equal to 3. Okay, now that means this is V1 is equal to 4 and this parallel is equal to 3. Okay, now first let's compute horizontal. So for horizontal, I can say Vm perpendicular is equal to V naught perpendicular plus Vi perpendicular. Okay, this is object image and this is perpendicular, divide by 2. This is minus 2 is equal to 4 plus V image perpendicular by 2. See, object is at 4, this we know 4. A mirror is moving in the opposite direction at 2 meter per second, so it is minus 2. So if we solve, we will get Vi perpendicular is equal to minus 8 meter per second. Okay, now for parallel means the one, this velocity, it doesn't make any impact, so the velocity will remain the same. So image parallel is equal to V naught object 11 parallel, right? This is 11 is nothing but parallel. So velocity of image parallel is nothing but 3. Correct? Now clubbing these together. Now if I have to write the velocity of image, then let me use different pen. Then I can say it is nothing but 8i plus 3j, because it's moving in this direction, 8 is in this direction, image is moving in this direction. Okay, it will be somewhere here and it's moving in this direction. Okay, so let me make make this also so that there is no confusion. This is mirror and the movement is in this and image movement is this, 3, 8 and I. Okay, so I can say a minus 8I plus a, and if someone asks for magnitude, it is 8 square plus 3 square is equal to under root 73 meter per second. Now let's do one more question. In this question, the object is moving at this direction, which is 45 degree, and the velocity is 2 root 2 meter per second. And the mirror, this is the movement of the mirror. This is movement, mirror movement. Mirror movement is in this direction at, this is 37 degree, 5 meter per second. Now how to do? So the first thing again in this question is first break into components, because it is not purely horizontal or vertical, right? So let's break this. If we break this, this will be what? V parallel is equal to 2. Okay, this is what? 2 root 2. So we have broken this. This would be what? This is 45 degree. So this is V perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Perpendicular is equal to 2. Why? Let me write it here. So V perpendicular is nothing but 2 root 2 cos 45, which is 2, and V parallel is equal to 2 root 2 sin 45 is equal to 2. Now this is the mirror. This is the mirror. Now in this direction is what? V perpendicular is equal to, what is this? We have this broken this 5 meter. Again, break this into two components. So if I break this into two components, this becomes, this is 5 meter per second, and so this angle is 37 degree. So this becomes what? This becomes 4, right? And this component become 3 meter per second. Right? Okay. Now very simple. Now let's first talk of perpendicular. So for the perpendicular, we know this formula, Vm is equal to V naught plus V image, V object by 2 is equal to, this is V mirror is moving in this direction. So it is plus 4 is equal to V naught is what? 2. Why? The object is moving in this direction, 2 plus Vi by 2. So Vi, perpendicular is equal to 6 meter per second. Okay. Similarly, now this is perpendicular. Now we will talk parallel. Parallel, we know that V of image is equal to V of object. Correct? So in this case, this is nothing but 2. I've just put in here. Parallel is 2, right? So the resultant is something like, this is 6, this is 2, correct? So this would be what? 2 root 2 10. How? First I can say Vi is equal to 6I plus 2j, and the speed which I am talking about, speed is nothing but, under root 6 square plus 2 square, which is under root 2 under root 10. So this is, okay, this is pretty simple. So the main thing how to do is, see, first take down the question, break this into horizontal, and vertical. Combine horizontal is nothing but perpendicular stuff. Make perpendicular separate, parallel separate, combine them together, and you have the result. So let's end this lecture and we'll continue with the next important spherical stuff in the next lecture. Thank you.